What is going on, people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. Those red lights right there, that's Kristen. Commodore is right there in his blind. We're in a nude spot. We don't know what's gonna happen. It's a Sunday, it's gonna be probably slowed. We're gonna have some birds flying maybe this direction. We are about 10 minutes to shooting light. Everything is situated. I'm gonna show you guys what happened. I wasn't able to film because we literally were sliding on the car from one end to another one to try to get to the spot. It's been raining, so this mud is like ice right now. So we literally made it just on time to get dressed and run and set up decoys and go get ready, because we literally almost buried the car a couple times. So but we're here, so let's do this. Take it. Yeah. Good. Dead bird. Back. 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 Good boy. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Here. 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 Good boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Chow with your barrel. Here. Hold. My bird. Good boy. And chubby. Alright. Come on, please. Come on. Please. Take your bird. Please. Good boy. Thank you, big guy. Good boy. Thank you, bird. Alright. One skunk. One choppler. There you go, bud. Did you load up the sail that you shot? Got a group of 8. Turn here. Take it. Got it. Yeah, baby. Fetch it up. Good boy. Here. Here. Drake shoveler. They're dumping in here. Come on, here, come on. Come on, big guy. Come on, here. You're shooting a little bit behind them, just a tiny bit. Just put it a little bit farther forward. Here. Hold. My bird. Good boy. Thank you, bird. Ah, that's a big guy. Oh my goodness. He landed on the mud. All right. So far we've been able to turn them calling, so good job, Mama. Thank you, buddy. You went like a champ, buddy. He found his little hole through here. He saw that one actually. Yeah, he went straight there. No, the bird. He saw it exactly where he landed. Good boy, Momo. You're killing it, buddy. Yeah, that's why I left it open. We gotta be careful now with the wind, because now they're gonna have to force themselves this way. You keep an eye on there. I keep an eye on this side, because they're kind of coming from every angle. Kind of slow down a little. Oh, don't move. They're gonna dump right in front of you. Just watch. Don't move. Here it comes. No. There it comes. Get ready. Oh, no, don't sure stop it. Come, turn. See, I told you, when they dump, they just like Alright, here it comes on the right. Those are two pintails right there. Actually, we have 5 of them. You gotta be careful. Take it. Yeah, that wind is a little bit of. If you see it and haven't seen it and it's in range, take it. cold? Yeah, we literally had like 30 minutes of activity. Yeah, it's 6:42 and we started at 6:16. At least we're shooting close, Bert. Are you comfortable on your chair? If I don't put pressure in my legs?
That happened with mine.
I just can't go too farther back because I got Momo back there. And that's the only backing that I have before he's blind is those little reeds. If I push those reeds back, like his blind is gonna stick out really bad. So that thing in front is like a sandbar. Cause that bird just like when we hit the shoveler, he just like pah.
Yeah, I heard the belly flop.
It was like pah.
Yes.
How many shots are you gonna get? Done. Cover him. Back. Back. Good boy. Good boy. Here, big guy. Here. Good boy. Here. Good popper. That took an insane amount of shots. Holy moly. Come on. Come on, big boy. That's a good looking drake though. Come on, big guy. Come on, you got it. You got it. Good boy. That's my boy. Big popper. Come this way. Come exactly for where you came from. Come on. If you bring him to you, hold. Oh no. Hold, big guy. Hold. Hold. My bird. Good boy. Place, big guy. Place. Good popper. What a good popper. Wow, Momo. Third retrieve unassisted on the day. My friend, you looked up. Wow. I don't know if I'm excited for the birds or I'm excited for how this dog is working today. Jesus. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at this bad boy. Good looking bird. Thank you, bird. Oh yeah.
Besides.
Oh my goodness. Alright, 3 birds. Alright.
I was trying to assist and got my foot stuck. That's where you go. You heard goose.
But you saw what he did? Like the wind lifted up and then he went this way. Like the first shot I missed because of the wind. That thing was like, I aimed and that thing was like, and I'm like, oh no. Wow, Popper, you are doing amazing today. Even that your blind is all tilted. You saw where that thing landed? I just moved it freaking the coins and that thing just like, doop, right on top of him. There it goes. Well, yeah, slow down quite a bit. Kristen is falling asleep, Momo is chilling, and I'm here trying to see if anything comes around. Trying to give the opportunity to them to turn and so Kristen can shoot him, but everything is going on different directions. Ooh. You know what time it is, guys. Time to munch something. Kristen is about to munch something. She got her citrus drink. Ooh, so fancy. Well, as is well known with Sundays here, it got really slow. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Beps. If you guys have seen the other videos, you know that every time that I crack a Red Bull open, freaking bear shows up. I had to drop the thing. Babe, hopla! So when somebody asks you why four-wheel drives are phenomenal, this is not a four-wheel drive, but you got me here. Look at this mess. And funny enough, some of that mud has been there for 3 years. Some of that mud is from the first time that I buried this car 3 years ago. Yeah, it's a disaster. So there we go, we got it, we made it to the car. It's a beautiful hunt. This is all well worth it. And even on the days that you get skunked out and you're frustrated trying to make things happen, but you can't, you know, all you gotta do is just stop for a second and look around. You look around and then you're proud to be in a place where not everybody can go. That's why I said this is all about passion. Thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Pancho out.